The Titan Racing Volt dual suspension eMTB is the newest full suspension contender on the market, and it lands a seriously impressive value package, costing thousands of rands less than many mainstream brands and competitors. The Volt range keeps things simple with 3 models, Volt 1, 2 and 3, the same platform, same heart, a Greenway 630 watt-hour battery powering a 350 watt Ananda motor that punches out, wait for it, 100 Newton meters of torque. That's literally 50 Newton meters more than the old 1300cc Mazda 323 or Citi Golf many of us grew up with. Our childhood car just got out-torqued by a bicycle. All models come with 150mm front suspension, Swoop fork on the Volt 1, RockShox Psylo, Silver RC on the Volt 2, and the legendary RockShox Lyrik on the Volt 3. At the back you get 140mm of plush controlled travel, giving you stability and comfort whether you're climbing, descending or just doing the best impression of a mountain goat. Braking setups differ across the range. Volt 1 Tektro M280, 2 piston calipers and 180mm rotors. Volt 2 Tektro Gemini, 203 rotors, front and rear, 4 piston in the front and 2 piston rear. And Volt 3 Shimano MT420, full 4 piston caliper, 203 rotors. Drivetrain levels up as well. The Volt 1 runs Shimano Q's 10 speed, the Volt 2 Shimano Dior 12 speed, and the Volt 3 XT 12 speed. All bikes arrive with tubeless ready tyres, you just need to convert them to seal the deal. Each model comes fitted with an X-Fusion magnetic dropper post, giving you the confidence and clearance you need when the trails get wild. Now about the motor Ananda. Ananda is a Shanghai-based company with over 20 years of e-motor expertise and a strong global footprint. The Ananda D18 and Selector gives you 5 assist modes, starting with Eco, and even in Eco, 100 Newton meters on tap, you got more than enough grunt to turn any ride into an adventure and a workout. I've been riding the Volt 2 for nearly 3 weeks now, and honestly, this is the bike I never want to get off. The ride quality is simply superb. Titan Racing has clearly done their homework, and the result is a beast of a bike that can handle whatever you throw at it.